Namaste, I am Suri Rudeshi and I and Chaitali are restaurant consultants. We have been continuing the journey of We Care initiative and we are really enjoying the journey. I'm sure people who have been regularly watching us are also enjoying along with us, uh, sharing the knowledge. And we have invited a lot of people from all different walks of life who have been entrepreneurs, who have been designer, architects, who have been musicians, and there are a lot of people who have joined us on our We Care initiative, and I think it's been going good. Going good in the sense that we have been motivated, and we also feel that We Care initiative has been instrumental in inspiring us, and all of you who have been watching us are also a bit inspired, and also have been bringing a little spark in our life and showing us the way to move forward post lockdown, and I think it's going good. As restaurant consultants, there have been a lot of people who have been asking us that what all you guys actually do. ऐसे ही रेस्टोरेंट में आपको तो कितना मजा आता होगा, नहीं? रोज आप नए नए आपके प्रोजेक्ट्स पर जाते हो, रेस्टोरेंट्स पर जाते हो, अच्छा अच्छा खाते हो, तो ये तो लाइन अच्छी है. Of course, it's a great job and we really love it. But actually, in brief, let me tell you that restaurant concerns are like, what we actually do is we join the project in the initial levels, in the pre-operation phase, where we conceptualize the menu in the first place, and along with the menu, we plan the kitchen in tandem, and along with kitchen we design the service setup and a lot of other setups like back of the house and the nitty-gritties of vendoring and tendering and all different stuff, so that we can initiate the restaurant full-fledged, and ultimately when the guest comes in, they are all happy and they are all gaga about the services and the food, and ultimately it becomes their favorite restaurant. Along with great food and great service, there is a very important aspect, that is nutrition. Generally, it is like underplayed in the menus. We don't highlight about the nutrition part a lot, but we as restaurant consultants, generally we design our menu where there is a great balance of tasty and delicious recipes and the nutrition part as well. Yes, we haven't ignored that part since we have entered this industry. Whenever we plan out or chalk out a menu, we keep nutrition part in the background. We want to make a balanced menu. So whenever you are there out in your favorite restaurant, especially the restaurants we consult and we design, we in the background we have nutrition in the quite important place. There are many aspects of nutrition to be discussed. As I told you, it has been underplayed because generally when we talk about nutrition, people might think that अच्छा health restaurant की बात कर रहे हो. No, whenever even if you go to a great restaurant, the menu are planned in a very balanced manner, and probably sometimes nowadays also menu have started highlighting what nutrition they are providing, and the nutritional figures and the facts which they have been providing, and I think it's a good initiative, it's a good start. Providing nutrition facts doesn't mean that it's a health restaurant, but it is actually portraying that whatever you are eating has this much of nutritional value. I and Chaitali were just sitting, and Chaitali came up with this idea that why not discuss about our heroes, the nutritional heroes, that they play a very important part not only in providing nutrition but also it helps to enhance the recipes. So today we have taken a superstar in our We Care initiative, which Chaitali is going to take us further, and the superstar is none other than salt. Yes, Mithu. Mithu, of course, in Gujarati is called Mithu, and Hindi it is Namak. Mithu is gonna be our rock star, the superstar in our We Care initiative, We Care talk of this episode. And Chaitali will take us further, and she has a lot of things to discuss about salt. And in detail, she'll be taking us further. So, up to Chaitali.
Namaste and welcome to We Care. And yes, like Suril said, today we're going to be discussing an extremely important ingredient that we all use at our homes. All as in, I think everyone in this world uses this ingredient in their houses. एक भी घर ऐसा नहीं होगा जो नमक के बगैर घर चलाते होंगे. So yes, an extremely important question that we have for salt these days, and I'm trying my best to answer your questions. So topic for today is salt, नमक, जिसे हम गुजराती मीठू कहते हैं. तो हिंदी बोलने वाले लोग मीठू को स्वीट मत समझना, मीठा नहीं समझना, क्योंकि गुजराती में नमक को मीठू कहा जाता है. ठीक है. सो वेल, लेट्स गो अहेड विद दिस. आज की तारीख में जब हम मार्केट जाते हैं तो हमारे पास इतने सारे ऑप्शंस आते हैं कि कभी कभी कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं हम लोग कि कौन सा वाला नमक ले. वो रेगुलर वाला जो लेते थे वही ले, या फिर वो आयोडीन युक्त नमक है वो ले, या फिर वो ग्रैन्युलर नमक ले, या हिमालयन नमक आया है वो ले. सो देयर इज सो मैनी types of salt that we get in the market that it's important to know कि हमारे डाइट के हिसाब से कौन सा नमक हमें हमारे घर में लाना चाहिए. So खैर, also I will be discussing a little about the difference in these salts. There are minor differences, nothing major, nothing that will change your perspective of salt. But yes, when you're cooking food, तो कौन सा खाने के ऊपर डाला जाता है और कौन सा खाने के अंदर डाला जाता है, ये चीज़ हम डिस्कस करने की कोशिश करेंगे. सो फॉर ऑल ऑफ दोज जिनको क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं, आप प्लीज़ अपने अपने क्वेश्चंस कहते जाइएगा, ताकि मैं यहाँ पे आपको रिप्लाई करने की पूरी कोशिश करूँगी. ऑलराइट. सो अभी के लिए मैंने मेरे घर पे जो थे वो 4 नमक लिए हुए हैं. एक है रेगुलर अपना टेबल सॉल्ट, एक है अपना हिमालयन सॉल्ट, पिंकिश जैसे कलर में आता है, एक है सी सॉल्ट, एंड द लास्ट वन इज काला नमक, विच इज ब्लैक सॉल्ट. सो दीज 4 सॉल्ट्स आई हैव इन माई हाउस, एंड ये 4 सॉल्ट मैं ऑन एंड ऑफ अलग अलग चीज़ों पे यूज़ करती हूँ. तो I'll tell you a little difference about I'll tell you a little about the regular salt, मतलब table salt जो हम use करते हैं. I'll show you those salts right now that I have. See, these are the 4 salts that I have at home. Now this is table salt, white, precisely white in color, right? And if it's clear, I hope it's clear. So this is the one that I'm going to talk about. इसमें क्या होता है कि देर आर टाइम्स कि वी वॉन्ट टू यूज डिफरेंट सॉल्ट्स, और कई चीज़ों के साथ अलग नमक ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है देन द टेबल सॉल्ट. तो वो हम कब यूज़ कर सकते हैं, आई टेल यू. ओके. सो ये जो नमक है टेबल सॉल्ट पर से, आई एम जस्ट रिमूविंग द टैग क्योंकि इट्स स्लाइटली अनकम्फर्टेबल. तो टेबल सॉल्ट इज वाइट इन कलर. Now this particular salt is a highly refined salt. So ये salt goes through a whole process before it comes to you, right? So market में आने से पहले ये नमक काफ़ी refinement से जाता है, and hence it gains this sharp white color. Also इसके अंदर जितना सोडियम का परसेंटेज है, उसके अलावा they also add anti-caking agent. What is an anti-caking agent? This salt flows pretty fine. It goes like smooth, right? If you see, अगर आपको दिखता है तो this salt flows really smooth. Why does it flow smooth? जनरल नमक ऐसा स्मूथ नहीं, जो हमारे रेगुलर रॉक सॉल्ट या वो मिलेगा, वो आपका ऐसे स्मूथ नहीं ड्रिजल कर सकते. तो in this case they add an anti-caking agent, and hence this salt is extremely drizzleable. हमारी भाषा में. So आराम से उसको हम अलग अलग directions में डाल सकते हैं. So that's the convenience part of it. But it definitely does not have a lot of other minerals that you might find in a rock salt or a Himalayan salt or a sea salt. Right? So yes, that is one thing. This is a pure, simple form of refined salt, and which is our table salt. Table salt is one. Then comes the Himalayan salt. We started getting a pink colored, light pink colored salt, in the market, which is the Himalayan salt. Now, when it comes to Himalayan salt, it naturally has to originate from the Himalayas, क्योंकि इसका नाम ही Himalayan salt है. So it originates from the Himalayas, and they come out in rocks. So these are rocks. जो rocks को जब हम grind करते हैं, so the rocks are also not pink in color. They are purplish, dark, red, purple kind of color. तो ये rocks जब उसको हम grind करते हैं, तो that is when it takes this form of pink color, and they are not as fine, मतलब as powdery as our table salt. So it has its own set of granules to it. So if you see, there are slightly bigger granules to this salt. I'll just show you. Right? So this salt holds a little granules, which is great. Honestly, I really like this salt because it also dilutes better. It is less, it is gone less under a hammer. So it is rather less refined. It is a pure form of salt. So I personally prefer a Himalayan salt, but not necessarily. You need all kinds of salt. With table salt, the other thing, okay, with table salt, the advantage is that these days, हमें ये भी मिलते हैं आयोडीन युक्त नमक. तो ये आयोडीन युक्त नमक is something which is extremely important. So maybe all these salts, the Himalayan salt है या फिर और कोई rock salt है, उसमें iodine content मिले नहीं मिले, we not sure, because where does it originate from? But when it comes to table salt, which is iodine युक्त, so please buy that salt and use that, because iodine deficiency in our country, which is India, is way more than a lot of countries. So, and iodine, when you have iodine deficiency, there are problems like thyroid problems, which are majorly a problem that occurs because of iodine deficiency. So I personally suggest we should be buying things that are pure in nature, but it should also contain all kind of nutrients that are necessary for the body. आयोडीन की ज़रूरत हमें किलो में नहीं है हमारे बॉडी में, लेकिन जितने भी परसेंटेज में है उतना परसेंटेज बॉडी को मिलना चाहिए. So ensure that if you're buying a common table salt, buy the iodine युक्त, so iodine content वाला table salt, right? So we move ahead. We've seen the Himalayan salt. We'll move ahead to the sea salt. Okay, this is an interesting one. This sea salt is rocky, right? Do you see? There are bigger granules than the Himalayan salt. I'll show the Himalayan salt as well. This is the Himalayan salt, which has been ground better, and this is the sea salt. Now, honestly, Himalayan and sea salt also happens to come in rocks form, right? But sea salt can be of different nature, depending के कौन सी जगह का हमें सी सॉल्ट मिला है. सो इट कुड बी फ्लेकी सॉल्ट. कई तरह के आते हैं, फ्लेकी आते हैं और क्रिस्टलाइज आते हैं. तो ये फ्लेकी सॉल्ट भी हो सकता है और ये क्रिस्टलाइज सॉल्ट भी हो सकता है. मेरे पास जो है इज अ क्रिस्टलाइज सॉल्ट. सो दिस सॉल्ट इज ग्रैन्यूल्स के पत्थर, ऐसे कह सकते हैं हम, छोटे छोटे कण पत्थर, राइट? इसको डाइल्यूट होने के लिए इट टेक्स अ लिटिल ऑफ अ व्हाइल. But if it's a flaky kind of a sea salt, it will not take time. It will immediately dilute. In fact, the recognition of a flaky salt is first, so you can look at it and you can see that there are flakes kind of a thing on this salt. Or if you put it in your hand, between your fingers, you can easily crush it through. So it will again go into smaller grinds than this rock salt. This sea salt. So if I kind of press this, nothing really happens to this. So I'm not as strong. I'm not like a Thor or somebody who can who can grind it with my fingers. But when it comes to flaky salts, you can easily grind it through your fingers. So which is an advantage, क्योंकि अगर हमें कभी ऐसा होता है कि salads है या फिर you want extra tinge of salt in on your meal. So if you have flaky salt at home, you can use those flaky salts, or you can use the Himalayan salt. Now with regards to sea salt, if you have sea salt which is slightly more ground, you can use that. Otherwise, this sea salt is used by a lot of bakers. So when you must have heard of sea salt chocolate cookies. So what are these sea salt chocolate cookies? Sea salt chocolate cookies are simply this salt used on top. तो चॉकलेट कुकी तो हमारी जो रेगुलर चॉकलेट कुकी है वो ही है, पर उसके ऊपर ये सी सॉल्ट डाला गया है. तो जब सी सॉल्ट डाला गया है ऊपर से, तो द माउथ फील ऑफ द सॉल्ट, जैसे हम मुंह में वो कुकी रखते हैं, देयर इज अ ब्लास्ट ऑफ सॉल्ट दैट यू विल फील इन द माउथ. सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल लाइक मी, आई लव दैट फ्लेवर. आई जस्ट लव दैट फ्लेवर. सो इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज अ फिनिशिंग सॉल्ट. कि फिनिश करने के लिए सैलेड्स है, सैलेड के ऊपर अगर हमने स्प्रिंकल कर दिया तो इट जस्ट फील फैंटास्टिक. ओके, दीज काइंड ऑफ सॉल्ट्स, हिमालयन सॉल्ट है, सी सॉल्ट है, दे आर वेरी इजीली डाइल्यूटेबल एज वेल. तो अगर हम कुछ खाना बना रहे हैं और उसके अंदर भी हमें यूज करना है, यू आर फ्री टू यूज देम. Especially the Himalayan one. The sea salt, I would suggest that you use it for the finishing touches of your food. But when it comes to Himalayan salt या table salt, ये तो हम table salt तो वैसे भी हम use करते हैं हमारे cooking methods के अंदर. But Himalayan salt भी आपको cooking के लिए अच्छा रहेगा. But when it comes to sea salt, try and use it as a finishing salt. कि आप salad के ऊपर डाल दिया, आपकी cookies के ऊपर, brownies के ऊपर डाल दिया, तो it will give you a tinge of, it's a sparkle of, saltiness on your tongue, which you will love. Trust me, you will just love it if you like salt. Right, so pink, how do they get this color pink? There is a natural process that happens on these rocks, and that is iron oxide. And because of iron oxide, they turn into dark purplish, brownish, reddish, pinkish kind of stones. And hence, when you break it down into smaller portions, they turn into pink in color. So, पूरे देश के अंदर सारी जगहों पे जहाँ जहाँ सॉल्ट बनता है, जो बहुत सारी जगह पे सॉल्ट बनता है, क्योंकि इट कम्स फ्रॉम सी वाटर, राइट. सो बहुत सारे जगह पे बनता है, और हर जगह की अपनी अपनी पिक्युलैरिटी होती है. ऐसे सॉल्ट्स भी है, जैसे हवाई में सॉल्ट है जो लावा ब्लैक कलर का सॉल्ट होता है. सो आई रियली डोंट नो हाउ डज इट टेस्ट एंड फील, बट आई एम श्योर इट लुक्स लवली. Similarly, there are Hawaiian red salt. So it looks red in color. These granules जो हम pink देख रहे हैं, उसके बदले they are red in color, which also is really interesting. Then there are these Celtic salts, and then there are green salts, and there are Cyprus salts and French salts. So all places in the world have different kind of salt that they get from their own vicinity. तो हमारे विसिनिटी में मिलने वाली चीजें हैं जिसके बारे में मैं आपके साथ चर्चा कर रही हूँ. ठीक है. सो राइट, सो आई थिंक आई हैव स्पोकन अबाउट सी सॉल्ट, एंड आई हैव स्पोकन अबाउट Himalayan salt, I've spoken about table salt. So another aspect about sea salt, which I think I kind of forgot, was it is unrefined and it is coarse. It is coarse मतलब उसके दाने दाने होते हैं काफी. So it is used like that. So use it accordingly. There are times we make a mistake by using coarse salt when you put it in the meal. If it does not dilute, तो जब खाना खा रहे हैं तो बीच में वो सॉल्ट आए, तो शायद वो हमारे रेगुलर फूड के साथ वो नमक का ग्रैन्यूल नहीं मजा आता है. पर जब हम कुछ डिजर्ट खाते हैं, कुछ स्वीट खाते हैं, तो उस स्वीट के साथ वी रियली लाइक having granules of salt which bursts in your mouth, because there is a sweet and this salty taste to that meal. So, when you're using these kind of salts, be very careful as to why and where are you using. Advantages again with this salt, the sea salt, is there are lot of other minerals. ये जहाँ से पाया जाता है वहाँ के जो सारे मिनरल्स हैं, जो ईयर्स से सॉल्ट, पानी के सॉल्ट की वजह से या पानी के मिनरल्स की वजह से जो इकट्ठा हुआ है, वो सारों का एडवांटेज मिल सकता है. So it might contain, things like zinc or potassium, iron to an extent. So a lot of other things. So which is an advantage? Because, when you're taking a meal, nutrition becomes an extremely important part of our meal. खाने के nutrition, अगर, burger खा लिया, लेकिन उसके साथ health नहीं देखी या nutrition नहीं देखा, तो उसमें क्या मजा? अगर हमारी हेल्थ बुरी हो रही है, बर्गर खा खा के हम यू जस्ट पुटिंग ऑन वेट, देन यू आर नॉट लिविंग अ हेल्दी लाइफ. इफ यू वांट टू लिव अ हेल्दी लाइफ, you can have healthy burgers. You can have healthy stuff in that burger. Even breads could be healthier. Everything that you can eat on this planet, but ensure that the product is healthy and has retained its nutrition. बहुत बार बहुत सारी चीज़ जब हम सस्ते दाम में लेने की कोशिश करते हैं, ये तो नमक के बारे में तो थैंक्स टू गांधी जी कि उन्होंने इतनी मेहनत की है और हमें वी गेट सॉल्ट एट अ वेरी लो कॉस्ट. पर टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, हमें जो भी इंग्रेडिएंट्स मिलते हैं, हम हमेशा ऐसा ट्राई करते हैं, एक दुकान में जाएंगे, वहाँ पूछेंगे कि इसका भाव क्या है, इसका 100 है, अच्छा तो बाजू वाली दुकान तो मुझे 80 में दे रहा है, तो चलो बाजू वाली दुकान से ले लेते हैं. लेकिन देयर इज़ अ पॉसिबिलिटी कि वो जो 80 वाला प्रोडक्ट है वो शायद प्रोडक्ट में दम नहीं है. I don't want to say names or I don't want to identify anything like that, but yes, the nutrition value when you're buying a product, your grocery, your vegetables, anything, ensure that the product is in good condition and उसका nutrition value अच्छा है. Okay, so moving ahead, this sea salt is also harvested one. So जब sea water evaporate होता है तो तब ये उसको condense होता है, और that is when it kind of develops these crystals, and they are harvested then. That is how the sea salt. So yes, my second favorite is the sea salt, hence I'm talking so much about it. Okay, moving on to the fourth one. The fourth one is black salt. This is black salt. When I showed you the table salt, so when I showed you the table salt, it was white, the granules were different. This is table salt and this is black salt. I don't know, can you both see both of them? I'm sure you can see both of them. So with table salt, it runs very well, so it can be sprinkled very evenly. But when it comes to black salt, this does not go down evenly. Okay, it is as fine as a table salt, but you cannot sprinkle it evenly. So generally black salt, या फिर हम इसे क्या कहते हैं, संचर, गुजराती लोग इसे संचर कहते हैं. संचर का इस्तेमाल जनरली हम नींबू पानी जैसी चीज़ों में करते हैं, क्योंकि नींबू पानी के अंदर जब ये सॉल्ट जाता है, इसका एक बहुत डिस्टिंक्ट फ्लेवर है. इट हैज़ अ टोटली डिफरेंट फ्लेवर. तो अगर हम ये सॉल्ट नींबू पानी या कोई भी ऐसा टैंगी ड्रिंक है उसके साथ डालेंगे, तो जस्ट ट्राई इट. आई थिंक once you try it, you will figure out कि मैं क्या कहने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. You will love it. You will fall in love with this salt. So yes, these are the four salts that I have at my house. And if I missed out on something, I don't know if you guys know. There's a place named Dead Sea. ये डेड सी क्यों कहा जाता है? डेड सी इसलिए कहा जाता है क्योंकि उसके अंदर इतना सलाइन, वो पानी इतना सलाइन है और उसके अंदर इतना बहुत सारे मिनरल्स तो है ही, लेकिन उसके अंदर सॉल्ट कंटेंट ऑफ दैट वाटर इज सो मच मोर दैट योर बॉडी कैनॉट गो इनसाइड द वाटर. योर बॉडी फ्लोट्स ऑन टॉप ऑफ द वाटर. because of the saline content, and it is known as a Dead Sea simply because of the salinity of this water. There is no flora and fauna that is developed in that area naturally. जब पानी बहुत खारा होता है हम उसे ऐसे ही नहीं पी सकते, तो जैसे हम नहीं पी सकते, आई एम श्योर एनिमल्स नहीं पी सकते, और आई एम श्योर इवन प्लांट्स डोंट ग्रो इन सच with such water. Hence the place, the sea is known as Dead Sea, and I want to visit this place once before it kind of totally goes off. I'm sure you guys should also go and visit this Dead Sea. Right, so I think we are more or less done with the salt today. I was extremely excited about salts, to be very honest, because I think it is such an important ingredient in all of our foods that without salt I cannot imagine how do we live. सॉल्ट की मात्रा अगर हमारे बॉडी में ज़्यादा हो जाती है तो भी प्रॉब्लम है, और अगर कम हो जाती है तो भी प्रॉब्लम है. हाइपरटेंशन का प्रॉब्लम ज़्यादा नमक खाने से होता है, और लो बीपी का प्रॉब्लम कम नमक खाने से होता है. सो एंश्योर दैट यू टेक appropriate quantity of salt in your diet. Don't take too much of it. Don't take too little of it. It's extremely important. और हाँ, coming back to the first question, जो बहुत सारे लोगों को था और बहुत सारे लोग हमें पूछते भी है कि कौन सा नमक हेल्दी है. वेल, सारे नमक हेल्दी है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. इफ टेकन इन द राइट क्वांटिटी, सारे नमक हेल्दी है. ट्राई टू टेक द वंस विच योर बॉडी, योर लाइफस्टाइल नीड्स. अगर हमारे यहाँ पे अगर आयोडीन की कंटेंट कम खाई जा रही है हमारे घरों में, तो आप आयोडीन वाला आयोडाइड वाला सॉल्ट लीजिए. अगर आपके घर में पोटेशियम, जिंक, ऐसी चीज़ों का आपके खानों में कम मिलता है, आपको मिनरल्स कम मिल रहे हैं, तो यूज़ द सी सॉल्ट, बिकॉज इट इज़, trust me, I feel that is the healthiest, but I don't want to claim it, because all these salts we can have and we should have. So have a range of salt. It'll also be a lot of fun, especially when you're partying or you call friends and you have this whole range of multiple salts. You got Hawaiian black salt, lava salt, and you got this red salt, and you've also got a Himalayan salt, and you got a regular table salt and the black salt. और इसके अलावा the one thing that I generally missed, which nowadays we do not get in our grocery stores, is the rock salt, जो पत्थर ही मिलता है. Now the fun of it is, it comes just the way it is from the nature directly. So fruits की तरह है कि fruits हम कैसे, it comes directly from the nature and you can have it and it just tastes wow. So I'll not say you can have the rock by itself, but if you sprinkle this rock salt on your meal, it will taste extremely interesting. So try the rock salt if you get it in your vicinity, because I did not get it, so I could not show it to you. And generally you will not get it in the grocery stores. Try and get it from maybe आजू बाजू के गांव में अगर छोटे मोटे ग्रोसरी स्टोर्स होंगे तो वो लोग यूज़ करते होंगे, बिकॉज दिस वॉज द ट्रेडिशनल सॉल्ट जो हमारे मम्मी पापाओं ने यूज़ किया है. तो आई एम श्योर कहीं ना कहीं तो अवेलेबल भी होगा एंड मिल भी रहा होगा. सो ट्राई एंड फिगर इट आउट. इफ यू कैन मैनेज इट, डू टेल मी. And keep commenting if you have any other inputs to this video, because what happens is there are a lot of things I might have missed out. There might be a lot of questions that you have, and there might be a lot of questions that I have which are unanswered, and maybe you are able to help me with that, right? So also comment and share my video. I will love it. We will thank you so much for it. Yeah, and before I leave, there are certain varieties of salt that you get in the market, like garlic salt or maybe ginger powder salt. They are lovely. They are flavored salts because that's a new trend these days. But I would personally suggest, when you take flavored salts, that just increases the intake of salt in your body instead of flavoring your food. So if you want, let us say, a ginger salt, or a garlic salt, so you want an addition of garlic flavor in your food, so might as well take garlic powder or original garlic paste to flavor your food instead of taking garlicky salt. because you with the garlic you're also adding that much amount or that much quantity of salt in your food. Don't do that. We are good for one human, for one adult, 1 teaspoon of salt is good enough. And do not compare a table salt with a sea salt or a Himalayan salt. Every salt has its own saltiness, it has its own nutritional values, so consider it accordingly. So thoda sa plus minus, lekin have salt in proportion, but don't quit having it. So have fun, happy Navratri, and you all have a wonderful time. Thank you.
Wow, so a lot of information about salt, isn't it? Even when we plan our menus, we have worked with all these salts. लेकिन एक साथ में इतने सारे सॉल्ट्स की बात करने की आज बहुत टाइम के बाद मिली, सुनने को बहुत टाइम के बाद मिली. आई थिंक इवन आई हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम. आई एम श्योर यू ऑल्सो माइट हैव एंजॉयड. So we thank you all of you for watching and being with us since quite some time. So if you like this video, you can share, you can like, and you can comment on the video, and we love it when you do that. So if you have some great ideas, you can also let us know from by Facebook Messenger, Instagram. We are all there. We are on Facebook, we are on Instagram, we are on YouTube. So you can follow us, or you can post us if you have some great ideas you would like to share it on We Care Initiative, and we'll be doing that. So thank you so much, and wait for another great new episode of We Care Initiative. Thank you.